BNI. Myself Yash Nanda, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर इन BNI एक्साइटमेंट। सो ये वीडियो जो हम शुरुआत कर रहे हैं ये है बियॉन्ड द मीटिंग रूम, जो हमारी यूट्यूब चैनल है BNI एक्साइटमेंट की, उसके रिलेटेड है, जिसमें हम हर मेंबर्स के साथ बात करेंगे, उनकी सक्सेस स्टोरीज जानेंगे, उनकी जर्नीज जानेंगे कि उन्होंने कैसे बिजनेस शुरू किया, क्या वो चीज़ थी जिसके कारण उन्होंने बिजनेस शुरू किया, और ऐसे काफ़ी सारे टॉपिक्स हैं जिसके ऊपर हम बात करेंगे ये पॉडकास्ट में। और आज का जो पॉडकास्ट हम शूट करने वाले हैं वो है LT के साथ। सो LT लीडरशिप टीम, जो BNI एक्साइटमेंट की जो लीडरशिप टीम है उसके साथ हम बात करेंगे। बट उसके पहले काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ। ये वीडियो आप एंड तक देखिए और वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के बाद में सब्सक्राइब करिएगा चैनल को, और उसके बाद वीडियो लाइक करिएगा, और ऐसे और भी वीडियोस देखने के लिए बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिएगा। Good morning everyone. Welcome to BNI Excitement and Beyond the Meeting Room, the initiative taken by our digital marketing team of BNI Excitement. Today we are going to talk about the experience of our LT team, and we have got Gaurapriya Saxena, who is president of the chapter. We have Mr. Amit Bangale, who is the vice president of the chapter, and we have Shaheen Madraswala. She is the secretary treasurer of the chapter. So we'll start with Gaurapriya ma'am. We'll talk to her about her journey and lot of experiences which she is having in the chapter. So Gaurapriya ma'am, as a president, आपका experience कैसा रहा है अब तक?
Good question, Yash. It has. So when I joined as the president, I was a little skeptical कि कितना difficulty होएगी, कितना time हमारा involve हो जाएगा. But धीरे धीरे करते करते first week, second week was a little more chaotic. But now we've got into the rhythm. So far the experience has actually been quite exciting.
Great. So ये आपका first time है as a president,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Great. So any initiative which you think that you should take and then जिसके through chapter का growth बढ़ेगा, ऐसा कुछ?
So हमने शुरू से ही कई इनिशिएटिव्स लॉन्च किए थे जो कि अभी भी चल रहे हैं और उनका काफी अच्छा रिस्पांस आया है।
Right.
Like the चाय पे चर्चा we did a Gurukul session, we have taken several initiatives like that. Bitcoin we started. तो जो नए इनिशिएटिव्स में एक तो हम बिटकॉइन में कुछ प्लान्स लॉन्च करने वाले हैं जो कि कपल ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशंस टुगेदर के हिसाब से हम प्लान्स करेंगे, और टू इंक्रीज द ट्रैफिक लाइट स्कोर्स ऑफ मेंबर्स हम कुछ एक BNI गेम लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो उस पर काम चल रहा है। वंस वी आर रेडी विद इट वी विल डेफिनेटली कम टू बियॉन्ड द मीटिंग रूम फर्स्ट।
Lovely. That's a wonderful insight about the chapter growth. Any advice which you would like to give to our the audience and the entrepreneurs who wants to grow their business?
Yes, I think for the entrepreneurs, what is most important is to believe in yourself and take the right steps at the right time, and do not get hassled by small little obstacles or ups and downs. That's most important, and for our members here, trust also in the BNI system because it works.
So do you think the BNI is one of the platform where you can join and you can grow your business?
Absolutely, absolutely. It is one of its kind platform which gives entrepreneurs an opportunity to network, but not just that. It opens your doors to so many different things for growth, learning, self-development, and of course connects. So it's an amazing platform.
Lovely. So we also have our vice president with us, Amit Bangale, who is not just vice president, but then he is the oldest member of BNI Excitement. So we will speak to him about his experience. So Amit sir, आप बताइए, जब आपने BNI ज्वाइन किया था तभी BNI एक्साइटमेंट चैप्टर कैसा था, और अभी आई गेस आपके 5+ years मेंबरशिप हो गई, कितने साल हो गए?
Yes, you're right. My membership is almost 8 years so far.
Amazing.
And this is my 4th LT term, and all 3 terms I did it before COVID.
Wow.
I think these are the very simple LT terms, and nowadays there are lots of pressures, lot of targets, which is find out, I think, in this LT term.
Okay. Any advice like why one should join BNI?
Definitely any startup, सबके लिए जो startups रहते हैं उनके लिए this is the best platform to grow the business.
have you seen raised in your business after joining the BNI?
Definitely. Almost I think 5x plus business I achieved in my
Amazing.
targets.
Any success story would you like to share? आपका कुछ तो वन डे वाला बिजनेस था जो BNI से आपको आया था.
BNI की तरफ से मुझे आया था. I did powered it so many months back, but that the person called me and just gave me the maintenance contract of 70 computers.
Oh
And
my
that is a
God,
big-
that's
that is-
amazing.
Yeah, that is a big achievement for me.
Great. So thank you so much for sharing the wonderful
Yeah.
insight. We also have Shaheen Madraswala with us. One thing I like about her role secretary treasurer is it's her first term and she has joined this year only and she become secretary treasurer and we'll ask her about her experience and her insights. Of course, over to you.
Thank you, Yash. So my experience as a first-time ST, first of all, it's my first year of BNI, and by the time I got used to it, I was appointed as the secretary treasurer, which was like a very good, thing for me, because as a person, I learned a lot being in the ST role. I learned a lot about numbers, which again I had a little issue with that, but I'm like becoming a pro now. And apart from that, I have got amazing networking skills now, which I am putting into use, and I am feeling BNI is like my extended family.
That's amazing, and we wish you all the best for your wonderful 3 months which you have pending now.
Yes.
So we are looking for more growth in BNI Excitement, and we as a chapter member and we as a BNI Excitement looking forward to generate more and more referrals for each and every member and generate more business for our chapter members. That's about Beyond Meeting Room. Thank you.